Welcome to this session, Wiring Techniques. First of all, we're going to look at the tools and equipment and PPE that is required for this session. We're going to first look at the wires. With these wires, you'll need a selection of 125s, 90s, 71s, 56, 46 and 32s. You'll also need a selection of green coated wires, but also non-coated wires. Then you will need a selection of decorative wires, including the decor wire, which is the straight. This comes in a vast range of colours, but also you might need some bullion wire, which is the crinkle cut wire. Okay, you might need also some aluminium wire, which is a decorative wire, but you'll also need a selection of tape, which is paraffin, which is the preferred use that we use here at the college, but also you might choose to use Stemtex. You will also need some ivory reel wire. You'll need a selection of pins, beads. So I've got some nice small cream beads and a slightly larger pink bead. We'll be using those throughout the session. Your tools, so you will need some scissors, a knife, some wire pliers and some wire cutters. You'll need a selection of accessories. The accessories I've got here today are two different types of wrist corsages, a comb for a fascinator or a traditional comb, an Alice band, and not forgetting, most of all, for health and safety, you'll need an apron. With the flowers that are on my desk, we're going to be looking at how we wire and tape each individual plant material here. So we'll be looking at grasses, Singapore orchids, roses, gerbras and germanes, freesia, eustoma, filler flowers, hyacinths, spray carnations and a selection of foliages. Throughout this session, we'll be learning about different wiring techniques, sort of double leg mount, single leg mount, support mount, internal wiring and semi-internal wiring. The designs that we will be covering within this section is a buttonhole, a boutonniere, fascinators, Alice band, handbag corsage, are a few of the ranges that we will be constructing. The aims of good practice, when we're actually taping and wiring, we want a nice, clean finish. There is a video that shows how to get good finish on your taping and wiring, but the aims of all the techniques is to have nice, lightweight material, using the parafilm, as we have here, to create really nice, neat finish on all the plant material. We'll cover lots of techniques to make the designs, and then we'll finish off the sessions by gift wrapping a selection and how to care and store the final design.